Hello everyone, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to look at cards within Bootstrap. So cards are a flexible and extensible content container. It allows you to put headers, footers and a variety of other content. They're great for showcasing something off. Maybe you have an image, title, a description, maybe a link to a product, for example. So if you're a game developer or an application developer on your website, you want to just showcase a few different products that you've done, you can use cards. Cards are a great way of displaying some content very nicely in a minimalistic way. So in this video we're just going to cover the basics of cards, because there's a lot to do with cards and there'll be separate videos covering all the other features. So to get started, just create a div tag. This has a class of card, and inside here we're just going to put an image tag. And for the actual image itself, got a link here. This is from the Bootstrap website. This is what they use, and this is just a 318 by 180 pixel gray image that has a bit of text on it. It doesn't look anything special, but it basically gets the job done and illustrates what we're trying to do, so it's great for that. Just add a class, and I'm going to add card-img-top, and now just add an alt attribute, and for this I'm just going to put card image. Now we're going to add a div tag, and this div tag is going to have a class of card-block. Inside here I'm going to have a h tag. Again, you can do it however you want. You don't have to have a h4, you don't even have to have a h tag. The beauty of these components are they are customizable. So if you don't want an image, don't put an image in there. If you want a h1 tag, put a h1 tag in there. If you want styling, apply styling. It's what you want. Class card-title, and inside I'm just going to put this is a title, like the best title ever. I'm going to put a p tag. And for this, I'm going to put card-text. Oh, sorry, that should be the class. Class equals card-text. And in here, we're just going to put some random text. Actually, misspelled that. And for that, what I'm going to do is just go to Google and type in random paragraph. Just like going to this website and generating random paragraph for tutorials. Yeah, that seems a-okay. So just copy that, paste it in between these p tags. Now we have our random paragraph, and we're going to add a button as well. Obviously you can add different types of buttons, but we're just going to keep it simple. Going to add a class as well, btn and btn dash success. Yeah, and for this I'm just going to put http://sonarsystems.co.uk, save it, go to our web browser, refresh. Okay, that hasn't quite worked out. Something about it has, oopsie daisy. And in here I should say, sorry, have button. There you go, that's fixed. That was just a mistake on my part. So here we go, we've got our container. Our card, got our image, title, our text, and our button. But you might be thinking it's expanded to the entire width of the browser or the web page, or the parent container I should say, and it has. And to overcome that, you have to apply a max width to this card element, aka the most root element for the card. I'm going to do some inline styling, and max dash width. Obviously this would generally depend on like the type of image you got, how wide you want it. I know with the content I've got, 319 pixels looks good. So if we just go back, refresh, there you go, we've got a nice looking card that we can showcase an image, let's say a game title, some description about our game, and then a button which could take us to the web page to download or play our game or check out what we're highlighting and showcasing using cards. There will be more videos showcasing all the different features of cards, because like I said, there's quite a bit to cover. It's more than really what one video should be. If you have any questions about this or anything else in Bootstrap or programming in general, feel free to post them at sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that. There'll be another link in the description as well to the source code from this video and the source code from every other video in this series. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help keep the content free. Plus it helps us grow and provide more content to you on a regular basis, which is good for everyone. And as usual, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.